Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskis and sisters, to another reaction video. I remain your boy LL Ray. I don't think I've actually ever said that though. But anyways, Ray LLC, man. And if you are new to the channel, if you just seeing us for the first time, let me officially welcome you. Over here, we react to funny comedy clips. We basically just trying to, have a nice time, laugh, chill, and be on some good vibes. You feel me? We don't do too much. And if you want to be part of the gang, part of the family, you know what to do. You feel me? Shout out to our new subscribers. We did an intro song for you guys in the previous video. If you want to go check that one out real quick. And let's get straight into the video. This one is the continuation of "If You Laugh, You Go to Hell." So let me advise you, if you don't want to end up in hell alongside other people who are going to laugh, try not to laugh at this video. I can laugh because I'm already, on the other side. You feel me? If you know, you know. But let's get straight into the video, man.
Ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my
Broski walked on 3 legs. Literally like 3 legs. Is that real? Is that true? Is that real?
ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to
It could actually be real. Is it real?
the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is attached.
Yeah, yo, nah, the rat is not gonna go like that. The rat is not gonna go like that, bruh.
I got the horses in the
Nah, bro said I'd rather die on my feet than die on my knees. Bro was not gonna let up like that. That's crazy. Bro was doing chest. How was that funny though? Just a mermaid.
Nah, ain't no jumping off, nigga. It's backflip time.
Gotta go backflip,
Do not backflip, my bro. Don't you? No matter what you do not try to make a backflip,
I ain't going for that. Alright, here we go.
dude.
I ain't never been excited. Oh no!
Don't you do? Hey, okay. Okay, my bad, bro. I apologize. My bad, bro. My bad. My bad. I apologize. You nailed that shit, bro. You nailed it. Hell yeah. He nailed it, bro. That's crazy.
Wait, the juice! The blood juice! There it is. I'm in the cup.
Do not pour it out.
Here in the cup. Okay.
Yeah, it's about to go left from here, right? He's smart. He's a smart kid.
Another cup.
Why another cup?
Apples.
It's in the fridge though.
This one for me. Uh-oh. I
No.
gotta clean that.
He's a smart kid, man. Look at that. No. No.
I
No.
will build it.
No.
Uh-oh, I built.
Who's recording it? Who's recording it?
Oh,
It just kept getting bad, innit? It just kept getting worse every time.
So what's up guys? Tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-karate.
Oh, gobi. Sipa. Oh, talon. Sandang ka lang. Oh, grabe. Oh, galing. Oh. Uy, lama.
I don't want to say what just came in my head because this online and everything. So I know that that's something that I shouldn't be saying. But there's something that just went in my mind right now, bro. I don't want to say it out, bro. It's my intrusive thoughts. I'll keep it stuck in my head, bro. Because where I'm from, they usually say you don't say whatever comes in your head. You got to filter. You feel me? So yeah, I'm a filter. But bro, keep doing your thing, bro. You nailing that karate thing, bro.
Pilo mo. Ay mo. Oh. Tabling ya, tabling, tabling. Oh. Stick, 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 stick. Oh.
Stop. Bro, that's like a worm. All right. I am,
Boy
man.
about the same age as me turned to me and say, "Ooh, what happened to your face?" And I looked him dead in the eye and I said,
It's not funny,
And my
bro.
man, thank you to my man. And my
You almost broke your waist, bro. Bro was not, bro was not ready for that, man. What made you even think about doing something like that? You crazy?
man, thank you to my man.
Why is she acting surprised though? Why is she acting surprised? I mean, she know her man has never been to a gym, probably never been to a gym a day in his life. Because I mean, you can tell. So why was she acting surprised for? And why did he even think he could pull that off? Like, your legs would have just went. Oh man, the internet is undefeated, bro.
Oh my God. What happened to him? Last month I was here. He was normal.
"Say hi, Jack."
What happened?
Jack didn't have his seatbelt on. A car cut me off and I swerved off the road and hit a tree. Jack was sitting in the middle street and flew out of the front windshield, landed straight on his head.
I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm glad he survived. I wish you would have told me this earlier. I feel horrible.
All the trips and expenses are for my boy. I just want him to have a good remaining life, and I can only work a few hours a week for my job because I'm the only one here to take care of him.
You know what? I won't charge you any rent for the next year. It'll be on me.
That's obviously fake. That has fake, like not fake, but like scripted written all over it. You feel me?
Okay, you can say any bad word, but it has to only be in the bathroom.
Okay.
And it's the only time. You won't get in trouble or nothing. Just say all the bad words you want to say, but just in the bathroom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back.
I saw this video one, right?
Bitch.
And I saw a video before this actual video.
Bitch.
This is crazy, right? If
Motherfucker. Motherfucker.
Are you done or are you
Yeah.
still going?
I'm done.
as funny as this thing may look, bruh, I think it's crazy. I think it's stupid because it's like a new trend right now. This is the second video that I'm seeing. I saw one like a few days ago. I thought that one was more genuine. I just felt so. And then I saw this one again. I'm like, hold on. This could be like a new trend. You want to get clout, so you take your toddler kid to the bathroom and ask them to start cursing or something like that. I don't know what is wrong with parents these days, bro. Are these millennial parents or are these, I don't know, is it the baby boomers? I think these are the millennial parents. That's crazy. Y'all want to trend. You want to trend with anything and everything. That's crazy, bro. That's fucked up. I think I know where this is going, but let's see.
I just flipped the switch. I don't know no.
Yeah, exactly what I was. Exactly what I was thinking. Exactly what I thought about in my head. Damn, they did Jesus dirty. That's crazy. Oh, but yeah, man. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to hell for this. What were they thinking?
What's the matter?
I've been getting death threats.
You mean death threats?
Not this time.
Running in, you undone me! You undone me on your wedding on! Gone!
Nah, that's funny. That's funny.
Ready to jingle your bells? Let's do this.
Stroke my, lick my, suck my cock. It's the first time for you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
George, you and I cool? Come on.
You need to get from the microphone again.
Wow. I can't. Come on. I should never have taught you that. Stop that. Now, come on. Now, give me. Come on. Now, don't do that.
Okay, George.
Is that nice? Yeah?
No knife, no fucking knife. It's nice.
Bro,
Wow.
you're eating the packaging.
You're not meant to eat
It's
Don't worry about
protein.
me.
Is it nice though, yeah?
You eating the package, my friend. Huh? Look. The package. This will kill you. Look. Take this out, man. You die, man.
Let him go.
Hey, I don't know what bro is on or what bro has smoked on, but eating the food and the package itself is wild. I don't know how hungry you can be or how high you can be, bro. That shit is crazy. Bro is eating plastic. Bro is recycling. That's crazy. That's bad, bro. But hell, nah. Bro was shocked. The other guy who saw it. That's crazy, man. How are you eating the flipping package? Yeah, I don't know why I laugh like that. That's crazy.
You know, you just need to relax and stop overreacting.
Murdered this man.
Yes,
You tortured him.
of course.
You should have known better, bro. Why would you even say something like that? What was that for? What was that, bro? You make a mistake in your relationship. Okay, that's smart.
I feel heroic and handsome. A little wet, but I still look good. I look good.
That's Kevin Hart. It's Kevin Hart talking right there, fam. That's crazy. But yeah, man, if your man now, if you both do not go straight to sleep after doing it, then I don't know what you guys did. You know, usually they will say, oh, a man is usually knocked out after doing it. And like, oh, if you're able to make your man pass out after doing it, then your coochie is 100. But nah, have you ever like done it to her and she slept up afterwards? That's the real deal. That's the real deal. So if you both sleep off afterwards, bro, oh yeah, you know you laid something down. That's fire. That's fire. I can only speak from experience. You feel me? Like if she goes to sleep right afterwards, and you go to sleep obviously afterwards. And so like it was like a yeah, tap shit, tap shit, tap shit.
Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha, parlami del Sud America. Quello che dicono laggiù, forse fantasia e nulla più.
I have no idea what. She did that though. She ate, left no crumbs. Oh, wait, I am so confused. Like, why was bro staring at her like that? In my mind, I'm thinking, is bro trying to like is bro looking for like green flags? Like, you get what I mean? Like a three-way something type shit. But that's crazy though. I mean, if that happened to me, I would be curious. You feel me? I want to know, like, is that like an invitation? Like, what's up? What you want? Is you on demo time type shit? You feel me? That's crazy, bro.
Never get free, lamb to the slaughter. What you gonna do when there's blood in the water? Price of your greed is your son and your daughter.
Okay, now listen. I get it. I get it, right? You guys eat meat, right? And you went over to a vegan protest just to spite them by eating meat in their faces. But bro, not raw meat though. Not uncooked raw liver. Oh my god, bro. Was this even necessary, fam? Like, what was going through your heads when I was doing this? Eating meat in front of a vegan protest is one thing, but eating the meat raw, eating it raw though, that has a whole lot of different meaning in my head, bro. That shit is crazy.
When there's blood in the water. Price of your greed is your.
What kind of, why is the liver so big though? What kind of animal is that? Oh, look at bro's face. He's so happy. He's enjoying this. He's savoring every moment of this shit, bro. Damn. This guy must be so pissed right now.
Son in your daughter.
Now that's just pure wickedness, man. That's just insane. They will never understand the pain we go through. Oh, the arm is dead. That arm right there is dead, sleeping. It's been a long day without you, my arm. Damn, bro, just moving like a flipping air balloon and stuff. Why are you so
I
flexible,
know she
my guy?
noticed something wrong when she tied her.
No, come on, man. Y'all gotta do better than this one. If you can't maintain white sneakers, don't even bother. Not just like if you can't maintain white shoes, don't purchase white shoes. Don't wear white shoes, man. You make them look stupid. White shoes are like my favorite shoes, especially sneakers. Like white sneakers are my favorite sneakers to wear, and you make them look so disgusting. I don't know. I'm not gonna be like it's a white people thing because I'm not gonna say that because I mean I don't want to say that anyways. But yeah, I've seen. I live in Europe, so I've seen when I said I've seen. Oh, I've seen a lot of those. You feel me? Like yeah, I've seen a whole lot of those, so I know what I'm saying. But I don't want to say, "Oh, white people." You feel me? Because I've learned to not generalize. You feel me? But yeah, man, let's go forward. But these sneakers look dead. At least change them or wash them. If you can't change them, just wash them, maintain them. I've had a phase where I rocked a particular sneaker for almost 2 years or 2 years even, because I just kept maintaining them, you know. So yeah, man, you gotta do better. Did she not see them while she was wearing them, or did she not wear them by herself? How do you leave home like that? I don't get it. How do you leave home like that? That's crazy, bro.
Gotta come clean, babe.
What she say
There's
she
one
doing
image
that,
in
man?
my life that consistently makes me happy no matter when I think about it. And that image, that one image is your big tits.
Oh, Kenny?
This is being honest. Hell yeah, bro. Don't do that, man. Uncle was not ready for that.
I gotta bounce. Thanks a lot for proving just how ugly and immature you are. It's been real.
If men kept it real like that, bro, that would be crazy. If men kept it real like that, that would be. If men kept it real in general in life, life would be crazy, bro. I swear. If men just kept it real, see this life, man, forgets.
On they go.
Whoa.
What?
Nothing.
What? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
And on they go.
When you calling with your BF and okay. Okay.
Whoa.
Alright, we're
What?
good.
Nothing.
Oh, but that is crazy though. Babe, don't worry about my past. Her past is just bad dicks flying in. What the hell? It's like a community of dicks. That's mad, bro. That's crazy. How she had the dicks just flying in like that? That's crazy, man. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, man. This one is funny. It's been nice making these videos, bro. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. If this was your first time and you enjoyed what you've seen here, you want to be part of the family, part of the gang, you know what to do, man. I don't even need to say that no more. But hey, I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Have a blast, and I'll see you guys on the next video, man. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So these are the days that we post. So make sure on these days you come to this channel and get you some laughter. It's free. What did they say? Laughter is good for the soul. It's medicinal. You feel me? As an African child, I owe y'all some laughter. So I'm bringing laughter and vibes from the motherland. Okay, not from the motherland, but from Europe, but it's from the motherland. You get what I mean. So see you guys in the next video, man. We out.